In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the robot vacuum cleaners mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Lefant M1 Smart LDS Robot Vacuum Mop. The Lefant M1 delivers powerful cleaning with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, supported by multi-plane mapping for accurate navigation. A 2-hour battery ensures broad coverage, while professional after-sales service adds value and support. This robot is perfect for people who want effortless cleaning with modern features like app and voice control. Sleek, smart, and effective, the Lefant M1 offers strong performance for its price. Number 4, Liectroux XR500 Laser Guided Robot Vacuum. The Liectroux XR500 uses advanced laser navigation and 6,500 pascals suction for precise and powerful cleaning. It can save up to 5 floor maps, making it perfect for multi-level homes. With Alexa and Google Home compatibility, you can clean using voice commands. Wi-Fi app control adds scheduling flexibility, and its high suction power ensures carpets and hard floors stay spotless. A reliable option for tech-savvy users who want smart automation and superior cleaning. Number 3, ABIR G20S Smart Robot Vacuum Mop. The ABIR G20S is a dual-function robot vacuum and mop offering voice control with Alexa and Google Home. With 6,000 pascals of suction power and a 120-minute runtime, it's built for deep, consistent cleaning. Its smart navigation, Wi-Fi app control, and customizable cleaning modes make daily cleaning effortless. Whether you're managing pet hair or household messes, the ABIR G20S delivers hands-free cleaning and high performance at a great value. Number 2, ZCWA D900 Auto Empty Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ZCWA D900 is a smart robot vacuum with a built-in auto-empty system and powerful 6,000 pascals suction. It supports multi-floor mapping, enabling efficient navigation in complex spaces. With both wet and dry cleaning options, it can vacuum and mop simultaneously. The 2-hour battery life ensures extended performance, and smart app control allows scheduling and monitoring remotely. This is a great choice for pet owners and families wanting a powerful, low-maintenance cleaning companion. Number 1, ILIFE T10S Auto Empty Robot Vacuum. The ILIFE T10S is a premium LDS robot vacuum designed for hands-free cleaning. With 3,000 pascals suction power, it tackles dirt and debris with ease on various surfaces. The auto-empty station stores dust for up to 60 days, minimizing maintenance. Multi-mode cleaning adapts to different needs while a 2-hour battery ensures thorough coverage. Smart mapping and scheduling via app control add convenience, making it ideal for busy households seeking efficiency and reliability.